Welcome to the Wealthsimple Investing Tool Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. In this video, we're diving deep into Wealthsimple's investment platform, so you can decide if it's the right tool for your financial goals. Links to the product are added in the description below for easy access. Wealthsimple is a Canadian-based, user-friendly investment platform designed for beginner to intermediate investors looking to grow their portfolios with minimal effort. Its key feature is automated investing, where Wealthsimple's algorithm builds and manages a diversified portfolio for you based on your risk tolerance and goals. It offers both pre-built portfolios and the option to create customized ones if you prefer more control. The tool also supports fractional shares, meaning you can invest in high-priced stocks with as little as $1, which is perfect for those just starting out with limited funds. The platform is particularly appealing to younger investors or those who don't want to spend a lot of time actively managing their investments. It's also ideal for people who prefer a low-maintenance, hands-off approach to investing. Wealthsimple has no minimum balance to get started, and its fee structure is transparent, with a management fee starting at 0.5% per year, much lower than traditional advisors. Plus, the app is easy to navigate, with mobile and desktop access to track your portfolio's performance. However, like any platform, Wealthsimple has its weaknesses. While it offers a great range of ETFs, it lacks the ability to trade individual stocks or access advanced trading features. If you're an active trader or want more control over your investments, Wealthsimple might not be the best fit. Also, while the fees are relatively low, they can add up for larger portfolios. Overall, Wealthsimple is an excellent choice for hands-off investors looking to grow their wealth over time. It combines simplicity, transparency, and cost-effectiveness to help you reach your financial goals with minimal effort. If you're looking for an easy-to-use, automated investing tool, this is definitely worth considering.